morning. We are in beautiful sunny San Diego, and we are on our way to the San Diego Botanical Gardens.
Why are we on our way to the Botanical Gardens?
To see our wedding venue.
God, that was so bad.
So in this episode of Us Against the Wedding, we get to see where we're gonna get married because we booked it sight unseen.
As you already know, or will find out when you get married, in California it is incredibly difficult to find a wedding venue because places book up over a year in advance, sometimes up to 2 years in advance.
Right. And also we kind of made a little mistake of jumping the gun for a reception venue and had decided that we need a separate ceremony venue.
A lot of times what happens is you'll book a single location for both the ceremony and the reception, and they'll have different venues for each, or they'll be able to turn over the space fairly quickly between the ceremony and the reception. We didn't want to do that because we fell in love with this reception venue, and then we were stuck trying to find a ceremony venue for the same day that was in a like 20 to 30 minute radius of the reception venue. So we kind of dug ourselves into a hole in that regard. But the nice thing is that this Botanical Gardens looks from the pictures and from what we've heard is absolutely beautiful.
Luckily, it has family meaning for you.
Yes.
So
my great-grandmother was involved in the Botanical Gardens in the late 70s, and they actually dedicated an area in the gardens to her. And I've never seen this actually. My mom actually called me and was like, oh, you gotta go check out her dedication. So that's today. We're gonna go check out where we're gonna get married and figure out all the details for that. What?
So weird. Just like standing here, you're right there, and like looking, and like people are watching us. Like people would be watching us get married. Ooh, like crap. Okay, that just got really real. Ooh. Okay, that's it. We saw it. we're getting married.
It's
Got real.
it's a little different than what we were originally expecting, because all the pictures we were seeing were much more lush, I guess. That's not to say that it's bad. Like, we like it a lot.
Yeah, I would like it a lot. And the venue, the actual garden space where the ceremony will be, is a lot smaller than I had anticipated, because the pictures make it look so much bigger, which is not a bad thing because I wanted it to be an intimate thing. So the fact that the gardens are actually really small works out. We're really excited for our photographer to go ahead and scope the place out. The pictures are gonna be gorgeous no matter what. And now that we've seen it, we'll iron out a little bit more details. We talked to a wedding coordinator next week. We have a wedding venue. I guess from here on out, we'll need to find caterers, florists, and all the other jazz. But other than the caterers, the details that we need to find are things that we can do remotely.
Right.
So we don't need to be in San Diego for them. I said I wanted to be in full wedding planning mode by April, and it looks like I am right on track. And I said that I want the wedding to be fully planned by December, so that the save the dates go out, the invitations go out, all from December to March, and we just figure out like the little tiniest of all details, but the big things are out of the way. So, and plus I really want to go snowboarding.
I think that's really why you want it to be done by December.
That's the main reason why I want the wedding to be planned by December, because I want to be able to snowboard before the wedding. See, he did create a monster.
I did.
And that's it. Off to have lunch and work for the rest of the afternoon.
Because we actually still have day jobs.